The park was designed and executed by Dorothy Nippenberg in the 1940s. She was a graduate of the Pratt School of Design, and this lady sounds amazing. Student council, drama club, nature club, art club, fencing club, known as a formidable artist. Apparently, every plant one now sees is the result of Dorothy's planned masterpiece. There are very nice residential neighborhoods surrounding this park, which must feel like an extension of their backyards. To think Charlie could go for his walk here every day, my goodness. That head is called Gabriella by James Tyler. Isn't that nice?